Hi everyone, this is Pravindari from Dijs University, and in today's video we are going to watch a live native ads build on redirect.com using the offer from Clickbank and as well as using a unique landing page builder. So you have to watch this video till the end, but before we proceed further, please support us by hitting the subscribe button, the like button if you like this video, and the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so we can keep creating good content for everybody. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to today's video everybody, and in today's video we are going to build a brand new live native ads campaign in front of you step by step. So what we're going to do is we are going to build a native ads campaign on redirect.com using the offers from Clickbank. So basically what we are going to do in today's video is we are going to go to Clickbank, we are going to choose an offer. I'm going to teach you how to choose an offer from Clickbank, and then we are going to go ahead and do our landing page with a brand new software which was recently launched. It's going to be very interesting, guys. So after that we will be going to redirect.com and creating our own campaign there. So this is the whole process of this video. It's going to be really interesting, and most of it are going to be step-by-step guide. Literally I'm going to show you a live build, guys. So are you ready for it? Before we go further, a lot of people might be asking this question again and again. What is actually native advertising? Is it still working? What's happening? Why you guys are talking about native advertising always? If you ask the most straightforward question without asking anything else, what is actually native advertising? I would simply answer you, native advertising is a form of advertising which you pay. Is a paid form of advertising that actually match the function, the background, the form of the platform, whichever that it appears. That's how I would be answering you. But of course, straightforward isn't always the clear answer. We need to talk a little bit more. So what is actually native ads? If you told me that you never seen a native ads before, that would be a real lie, because native ads is everywhere. If you search on Google for something that you want, for example, you search for used car or something like that, and then there is organic traffic, and then there will be ads, right? That ads will look exactly the same as the organic traffic. The only difference is there will be an ad symbol there. That is actually a form of native advertising. When we talk about search engine native advertising, when we talk about social media native advertising, for example, you go to Facebook, you are blogging, you are going through your news feed, and then suddenly there is actually a sponsored ad there. The ad looks almost the same like a normal content in Facebook, a normal post in Facebook. The only thing differs is that there is a sponsored symbol there. That is actually a form of native advertising. If you go to a blog to read something, you want to just reading something, then there's like a bunch of articles, and then there's one article that looks exactly the same like other articles, but then there's like a sponsored or promoted or ads symbol there. That is what we call as native ads as well. So that's how you can actually understand native ads. It's a form of paid ads, just like push ad, display ads and all that, but then it looks exactly the same like the content. So what is actually the benefit of native ads? Why you should actually use native ads? The first thing is that there is more higher likelihood that if you use native ads, the native ads would be watched or read or listened, because it is proven in a research that native ads is seen by people 53% more than normal display ads. And not only that, native ads will also increase your conversion rate. It has been proven again that native ads actually increase up to 18% of the purchase intent. So saying all that, guys, native ads is actually the way to go. But if we keep on talking about native ads, we can actually go a long way, guys. I can talk to you about the pros of native ads, the cons of native ads and all that, but that's not why we are here, right? We are here to show you a live build. So let's talk about native ads and go to the tools that we will be using for today's video. So the first one that we will be using is Clickbank over here. As you can see, Clickbank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. Why Clickbank is so famous? That when there is actually a lot of marketplaces out there, there's a lot of affiliate networks out there, but why Clickbank is very famous? Because Clickbank was established more than 20 years. You can actually see for more than 20 years, because they was established in the year 1998, which means it has been 22 years they are in market. And have you seen these statistics before in any other affiliate networks? $4.2 billion paid in commission. I am pretty sure that I've never seen this kind of transaction value in any other particular affiliate networks or marketplace, other than, I won't say marketplace, affiliate networks in specific, other than Clickbank, guys, because they have been there for quite some time. They are reputable. They have their own name. When you talk about affiliate networks, one of the first names that comes out from your mouth is Clickbank. But why? Is it because of they have been so experienced? No, the major reason is because they are actually super beginner friendly. Let's answer this with a scenario. Let's say that you're a beginner affiliate marketer, just beginning your affiliate marketing journey, and then you want to go ahead and register into an affiliate network. So what happens is you go Google, you search for a good affiliate networks, and then you found out there's like few bunch of good affiliate networks, like for example Max Bounty, Big Bang Ads, whatever, guys, whatever, Rev Content, or whatsoever, guys, whatsoever that you take a look at, and then you go ahead and try to register with them. So what will happen is, first you'll go ahead and sign up with them, then you have to wait for approval, then the affiliate manager will call you or contact you, and they will ask you some questions to see whether you fit in into their particular affiliate network or not. Then you will get to know whether you get rejected or not. Most probably you will get rejected if you have no experience. Not to say that these networks are not beginner friendly, but at least they want to make money, guys, and they want seasoned affiliate marketers. So not only that, they want you to know at least what you're doing. The main questions that they will ask is, what are you going to promote, how you're going to promote, where you're going to promote. If you know how to answer these three questions, then you're good. But you need to, it's not as direct as how I'm asking. Like, they will ask you what you want to promote, what type of niche, what type of subcategory, why you want to promote that, how you want to promote that, what type of advertising you want to use, what type of promotions that you want to use, and then where you want to promote, which type of platforms that you want to use, and all these kind of questions. So they expect you to know these basic stuff. Not Clickbank. Not Clickbank, guys. You go Clickbank, you go over here and hit the sign up button, and you can get access into Clickbank within minutes. Not even minutes, I would say within 60 seconds, because it's super fast. They do not have any verification. The affiliate manager won't come and ask you and all this kind of stuff. So that is why this is actually a paradise for beginner affiliate marketers. They will not get rejected. They will not get their self-confidence down. They can still go ahead and get into a affiliate network even though they do not have any experience. I mean, nobody bonds with experience, right? Everybody needs to gain experience, right? So you have to gain your experience somewhere, and Clickbank is the place that most affiliate marketers gain their experience. Even those who like crazy seasoned affiliate marketers, super affiliate marketers, most of them actually begin their affiliate marketing journey in Clickbank, including myself. I'm not saying that I'm a super affiliate marketer or something, but we begin our journey with Clickbank. So saying that, is Clickbank only for beginner affiliate marketers? No, definitely not. Look at these figures, guys. Look at these figures, 4.2 billion paid. You think only by catering for beginner affiliate marketers they can have this much commission paid? Definitely not, because most super affiliate use Clickbank as well because of their policy. They have 60-day return policy. Most of the products there are being verified. So there's a lot of stuff going, and why seasoned affiliate marketers as well as why beginner affiliate marketers love Clickbank as well. So that's what we are going to use. We are going to use Clickbank. The second thing that we're going to use is the Landerize. So Landerize is a brand new landing page builder which was recently launched. They're still in their beta testing. So I've actually included the link to Landerize in the description of this video. If you're interested, you can go ahead and click on the link and go ahead and check, go ahead and see the Landerize for yourself. Now you might be asking me this question, hey, why you're talking about landing page builder and you're talking about something which is still in the beta test? I'm talking about something which is like ClickFunnels, lead page, Insta page, and all those stuff, guys. So I'm not saying that those particular landing page builders are bad, but they have their own pros and cons. But the first thing is, what is actually your motive? Who are you and what are you going to do? If you are an affiliate marketer and you want to promote, you want to create an affiliate page, then ClickFunnels is not the place that you want to be. Lead page is not the place that you want to be. WordPress is not the place that you want to be, because they do not cater exactly for specifically for affiliate marketers. They cater for product promotion, sales funnels, marketing funnels, because this is where the big monies are. So they don't actually cater for affiliate marketers. If you are an experienced affiliate marketer, you would know that there's so many faults with ClickFunnels. But the biggest fault in ClickFunnels that you can actually say is that when you do a landing page with ClickFunnels, mostly it's closed source, so you don't own the landing page, first thing. Second thing is that when you build a landing page with ClickFunnels, most of the landing page loads very slow, and this is one of the major reasons why affiliate marketers do not like to use ClickFunnels, guys, because of the loading speed. But if you actually use Amazon S3, you would know that the landing page will load as fast as lightning, guys. I'm not exaggerating. It's really fast, guys. Trust me. And if you are somebody who knows your thing, you would know that how important is the loading speed of your landing page. You would know that your click-through rate is actually acting directly proportional with your conversion rate as well. So these are the things that you would know, and you would know the importance of how important is your page to load fast. Just take this scenario for example. You create an ad, you put the ad as super response. The ad is pretty good, people like to click on your ad, so your click-through rate is out of the roof. You're paying a lot of money, but then you don't get any conversion, because when people click on your ad, they go to your landing page. Your landing page loads freaking slow, and you think the people will wait for that? You think people in this generation has the patience or has the time capacity to actually wait for your landing page to load? If your landing page does not load within 3 seconds, trust me, they will cancel your landing page and go back from wherever they came from. The thing is, you would be still paying for the money for the click rate, because you choose CPC, right? So you will be paying for the click rate, but you will not be getting any good CTR rate, and you will not get any good conversion rate as well. So this is the whole chapter on why we like to use Landerize, because of the Amazon S3 features. Not only that, they do still maintain all the normal stuff like drag and drop templates, like what ClickFunnels offers and all that. They still do have it. You still can integrate external trackers like volume, Binom, rate track, whatsoever, guys. You can still integrate external tracker within them. You can create landing page like that fast. It's still all nice. But the main reason why I'm still emphasizing on Landerize, even though they are still on their beta version, is because of this word: the best landing page software for affiliate marketers. You know what it means? Have you ever seen this in any landing page builder? You will not be able to see that, because they don't cater for affiliate marketers. But Landerize is a landing page builder which caters specifically for affiliate marketers. What do I mean by this? Simple. When you go ahead and create a landing page in other landing page builder, you might be having this thought to yourself: hey, why is it loading so slow? Hey, what's happening? Why this feature is not there? Why does not this look like an affiliate page? Why the template does not mix with my template, and all this kind of stuff? You will have this question if you are an affiliate marketer, because you will be thinking from that perspective. But this particular landing page builders does not cater for them, other than Landerize. I don't know, guys. I never seen a landing page which caters for affiliate marketers. If you have seen before, then you're in luck. But I have not seen any landing page which caters for affiliate marketers before. So with Landerize, what you would be able to do is you would be able to utilize it especially for affiliate page. And another thing is that Landerize is actually built by a super affiliate for affiliate marketers, which means that they exactly know how you feel, how you and me feel, and they build it especially to cater our problems, guys. These are the main reasons why I would recommend Landerize. Again, I'm telling you, the link to Landerize is in the description of this video, so if you're interested, go ahead, click on it, just check it out, guys. You will not regret. So that's the second tool that we'll be using. The third tool that we'll be using is redirect.com. What is redirect.com? Millions of ads served. We buy and sell traffic, international redirects, domain optimization, and pop-up. Basically, it's a traffic source, guys. It's a traffic platform where you can actually go ahead and buy buy traffic. So you can actually see they concern most about native ads. Most of their stuff is about native ads. They do cater for push traffic as well. I think they are based in United States of America, if I'm not mistaken. They are quite highly reputable, guys, this particular redirect.com. You can actually go ahead and it's very easy to use traffic platform, guys. I'm going to show you guys later on, and they are very specific when it comes to native ads. You know, they even have like a new format which they call as email newsletter native advertising, which is pretty cool, guys. Everything is pretty cool with redirect, guys. So this is the platform that we would be using today to build our campaign on. So that's about the three tools that we'll be using, and another tool that we'll be using is definitely Mr. Google. What would I do without Mr. Google? Mr. Google helps you in all situations to find image, to find content, to find everything, guys. So we'll be using Mr. Google as well. So are you ready to get started? Let's go. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to Clickbank over here, and you have to sign up into Clickbank. Like I told you before, it takes less than 60 seconds to do so. And after that, you can actually go in and log in into Clickbank. So we are going to log in into our account, Clickbank. This is a personal account that I have, which I don't use, but how do I say it? Sorry, guys. I use it for the purpose of the videos and everything. So let me just show you guys. So once I log in into this particular account, I need to go to the marketplace. So this is the marketplace over here. So once I click the marketplace over here, uh, this is the page that will appear. I know it looks like a 1998. Clickbank did a very good job in changing their website, because even their website looks like 1998 before. Now they need to change their dashboard as well. I think they will be doing it. So there's three ways on how you can actually choose your offers within marketplace. First thing, you can go to Google and search stuff like best affiliate offers to promote, best niche to promote 2020, best niche to promote post pandemic, best niche to promote after few years, whatsoever, guys. You can go ahead, do your research, and see which niche is the best promoting, best niche, what is the evergreen niche, and all that. And then you can go back to Clickbank and you can choose that particular niche. That's the first way. The second way is you don't do any research. All you do is you go by interest basis. And some people actually deny this thing. They say don't go by interest, nobody cares about your interest. No, that's not true. Actually, people do care about your interest, because when you are interested in something, indirectly it will push you to learn more stuff about that thing, and definitely you will have more knowledge. So when you're doing ads, when you do promotion, you would know better things, what to do, what not to do. And also interest will actually keep you surviving the tide, guys, because doing affiliate marketing is not something which is easy. You need to be disciplined, you need to have consistent behavior, and interest will actually help you do that. So for example, if you're interested in education, you can click on education and you can see the sub topic and everything, and then you can choose an offer from there. Or you can just do the third method, which is the generic method, and all you got to do is don't choose any niche over here. Just go ahead over here and hit this button, and it will come up all the top promoting offers. So now you'll be choosing in the specific way of offers alone. You will be not seeing the niche, you will be seeing the offer. So you can sort it by popularity, or you can sort it by gravity. It totally depends on you. Gravity means how many people have actually purchased this item in the last 30 days. So don't choose anything which has gravity less than 30, which is very bad. I don't recommend that. So you can actually see this is a big offers over here. I've done this offer in previous video, I think. So these are the stuff that you can do. So let's go ahead and choose a niche topic that I want to do, guys. Let's go ahead and choose education. Let's see if there's a good offer on the education. Sometimes there's no good offer, guys. So that's why we can't promote. As you can see over here, the best offer is actually 7.71, which is really, really bad. I told you not to choose any offers which has lesser gravity than 30, right? So let's go betting system. It has been some time since I did betting system. So betting system. So this is 25%. I don't think it's that good. But I think don't choose this kind of offers, guys, if it has less than 30 gravity, guys. But for the purpose of this video, let's just assume that we're going to take this offer. So what's the next thing that you're going to do? Or are you only going to see gravity? No, you're going to see the average sales. You're going to see whether the sales are something which satisfied you or not, and then you would be going and checking out the landing page. Let me just zoom out the whole thing. So you'll be checking out the offer page and you'll be checking out the affiliate page. These are the two pages that you'll be checking out whether it suits or not. So let's check out the offer page. So the offer page is not something which is very nice. It's just a video. They do not say a lot of stuff about this video over here. Let's see the affiliate page. So they do have like landing page, demographics, banners. I don't think this is a good offer, guys. This is why I don't choose offers with has less than 30% 30 gravity. Let's see parenting. Parenting looks nice, so let me just cancel this off. Leave. So this offer looks pretty neat. This offer looks good. This offer looks good as well. So I think this one is good. Baby Miracles. Not that good, but it's still above 35, so I can just go ahead and choose this. So let's see whether we can actually go ahead and choose this offer or not. So Baby Sleep Miracle. Cute landing page. Cute landing page. So they do have a call to action button. That's what I was looking for previously. So okay, offer page is okay. You can even prefer to read over here. What about affiliate resources? Do they have proper resources over here? Okay. Oh, it's here. So let's see articles. So they do have articles here. Wow, this is nice. Banners. So they do have banner ads over here, and they have a lot of good resources that we can actually use, guys. I'm actually pretty interested in this particular offer. So this is the offer that we are going to choose today. Baby Sleep Miracle. So to get your affiliate link, all you got to do is hit the promote button and this screen will pop up. So once this pop up over here, you can actually go ahead and hit generate hop links. And this would be your affiliate link. So this is how you generate affiliate links with Clickbank. So we're going to keep this for a while. Now we are finished choosing our offer. The next step is go to create our landing page. So we have to go to Landerize over here. So I have actually logged into Landerize. So this is how Landerize looks once you actually logged into Landerize. So like I told you, it's still in the beta version, but most of the functions are already there. So the section over here is the landing page. First is the landing page. Second is the landing page templates that you can actually take a look. So they currently have 9 templates. Previously they only had 5 templates. I know they're going to improve this a lot. So and then one more thing is that there's a domain section over here. Why the domain section is over here is because all the landing page that you created will be uploaded in your Amazon S3. That's why you have to have your domain. It may sound a little bit technical for you, but don't worry, there's a support section over here. And actually, I'm pretty amazed how they did the support section, because everything is like step-by-step guide. You can actually see over here, create your landing page, how to create your landing page step by step. Then how to edit image and color step by step. How to for example, how to change your account info step by step. Everything is step by step. But the most important point is these 2 things, guys. I don't know what you think, guys, but I personally set up an Amazon S3 landing page even before all this came out, and I knew how hard was it to actually set up. I spent almost 1 week to set it up. I didn't have proper guide. You can't search the guide in internet anywhere at that time. I literally had to call the AWS customer support team and ask them to guide me and all this kind of stuff. But with Landerize, they tell you step by step how to set up your AWS, how to buy your email, how to get your free SSL certificate, how to configure S3 bucket, how to fix bucket permission, everything, guys. I really wish that I had this before, guys. And then once you have set up your AWS account, they actually teach you on how to connect your AWS account to your Landerize page, how to create bucket, how to create IAM policy, how to create IAM user, how to grant that user the permission, how to set it up within Landerize. So everything is step by step. Even if you still stuck after seeing this step, which I don't think you will, because it's really in-depth step by step. But if you still stuck, then you can go to my ticket section over here and you can issue a ticket to the Landerize support team and they will get back to you to support you. So don't worry about that. So saying that, let's go ahead and start building a landing page. So the first thing that you can actually do is you can actually go ahead. So you can go to your landing pages over here and then you can press create new landing page, and again then you can choose from the templates that you want to choose. So all these templates are highly optimized affiliate page templates, guys. Trust me. One is for giveaway, one is for sweepstakes, and all this has different functions. This is for giveaway as well, this is for native ads, this is for native ads, this is for native ads. So they have different functions. This is for in-game purchases, this is for questionnaires as well, this is for adult traffic. So it depends on what type of offers that you want to run. You can go ahead and choose the landing page, you can create, and then you can delete back the landing page. All you got to do is go back to the landing page and remove, and the landing page will be deleted. So don't worry about testing out all this landing page and how it looks like. But since we are doing native ads, I think that this is actually a pretty nice template, guys, but we're going to use this one over here because it's much more shorter. So this one has a lot of things to edit, so we're just going to use this one over here. So we're going to name it baby miracle, baby sleep miracle. So this is, I think, much more easier to add, and I don't think people are going to watch the ads very long. So this one looks pretty neat, guys. So this is what we are going to add right now. So it's very simple to add, guys, simple to use. You can click the purple button, you can choose where you want it to be, and then you can actually copy it again, for example, and then you can delete it as well. Once you delete it, it will be reflected here as well, and you can just go ahead and click on this button and start editing. But I like to usually do it on the flow because they have a flow over here which you can actually follow step by step, and I want to follow this flow. It makes things much more easier. So let's do the first thing. Advertising is the first thing, right? So we're not going to change this. We like this one. So we're going to change this image. We're going to change it into banner. So I have actually saved an image previously for the baby banner. So we're going to change this into baby banner. So it looks like this, but it's pretty huge, but it looks great, right? So it looks great actually. So I want to do this, and I'm gonna this column here, I actually don't want this, so I can actually delete this. So okay, this looks pretty neat. Yeah, actually it's pretty neat. So what we can actually do is we can do the next step. So the next step is the title. So let's go to the affiliate page and see whether we can actually find any titles, nice titles for it. So articles would be best, or landing page would be even better. This is how you get baby to watch and sleep. My God, so cute. So yeah, sleepless night. Let's just do this one, guys. This is how to get any baby to sleep. Okay, this is nice, right? So sorry. So this is how this is how you get any baby to sleep. Space, should the space there. Okay, we have a little bit space to edit our image. So the next one would be image. So here we're gonna go to back here. We're gonna find some product images. All right, some nice product images. But I think something like this works better, right, for native ads. Yep, something like this. So let's go and find cute baby. Cute baby. No. Baby eating lemon. Let's just do that one. Let's just do the same one. How to shut up a baby. Shut up a baby. That's funny, guys. That's funny. It's not what I wanted. Hey, this is the picture. This is the picture that they use. It's gonna use this picture again. You can use different ones. Let's just. This is so cute. This is the babies are so cute, guys. So let's use this one, guys. We use a little bit different one. Yep. We use this one. Maybe eating lemon. So we can actually follow them, guys. So just select over here, top, change the image, baby eating lemon. Wonderful, baby eating lemon, but it's a little bit pixelated, right? Can we find something which is not that pixelated? Those are so pixelated, guys. If there's nothing pixelated, then we can just do with that. Okay, it's okay. We'll just manage with this. And then here is where you're going to write your article. And thanks to our affiliate page, we don't need to write any articles. We can actually go ahead and check out from the landing page over here. Or you can do something like this, or you can go to articles. Where was articles? Articles. Go to articles and you can just copy this article. Copy this article. And you can paste it here. But I think this is going to be freaking long, right? So yeah, so you can either do this one or we can find other thing which is a little bit shorter. Let's go Facebook tools. Usually Facebook has like a nice ad copies, right? They don't have here. They don't have a nice ad copy here. They only have a heading here, so we don't want heading, guys. Let's check out other stuff, guys. Let's check out infographics. This is cute, guys. They do have infographics and everything. No wonder this product actually do very well. You see, nope, nothing over here. So we are just going to copy things from. Let's just check out our stuffs. Yeah, in email marketing, that's actually something which is very nice. Super. This is what we need. Simple and straightforward, guys. This is what we need. So it's not as long as this one. So we need something simple and sweet. Simple and sweet. All right, done with that. Discover how to do it. Watch this video. So the watch now is still okay. And then here you can actually put, is it an advertisement? These are usually things to actually safeguard you in case anything happen, in case people want to sue you, misleading or whatsoever. Trust me, they will do that. So to prevent them from doing all that, you can actually have this and the privacy policy, the terms and condition. But for the purpose of this video, I don't have any privacy policy, terms and condition or anything. If you do have, you can actually click on this and you can put the link for the privacy policy over here, but we don't have it, so we're just going to delete the privacy policy. This is something that we're going to leave. So that's it, guys. We have successfully created. So all you got to do is just save this image. We almost successfully created. So we're going to do the final touch is go to the settings over here. The page title is good. You can edit any text if you want to, but the destination URL is what matters, guys. This is where you are going to put your offer page URL. So your affiliate link, sorry. So you're going to copy this over here. We're going to paste it here and ta-da! You have successfully created your landing page. All you got to do is now go to the my landing page over here. Your landing page would be here, Baby Step Miracle. All you got to do is hit publish and choose the domain that you have already registered. So choose the domain and hit publish. And and that's it. Your particular landing page has successfully been published with the Amazon Ads 3. It takes so little time to do it, right? And it looks so good. So the next thing that you got to do is got to go ahead and start making the campaign. But before that, you need to go ahead over here and make sure you write down the domain somewhere else so that you can actually paste it later on when you're doing your campaign. So let's get started, shall we, with our campaign. So to get started with our campaign, you need to go to redirect.com and you need to go ahead and log in into redirect.com. Sign up first and then log in. So I've actually signed up. So let's log in into the redirect.com and I'm going to show you how it looks like. I know you have been with me for quite some time. This is the last part, guys, so just bear with me for this one. So once you are here, you can go ahead and add a campaign over here. So hit add campaign and let's start building a campaign. It has been some time since I actually built a native campaign with redirect.com, but I still remember they do have kind of nice native ads. So let's do it, guys. So let's choose the campaign first. So you can actually do email native or web native. Email native is a brand new native advertising type where it's like very nice, guys. Within any, if you subscribe for any big newsletters, email newsletters, for example, let's say you subscribe for Forbes, and these people can actually help you to put your native advertising within below the email itself, below the subscription, so it won't be spamming, guys. Trust me, people actually pay for this kind of newsletters and this kind of subscription, so you are actually targeting really good customers. So this is actually very interesting and a brand new stuff which is redirect.com actually introduced. So but we are going to use web native, guys. So once we have done that, once you've done that, the whole thing would be changed like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to name our campaign first. So our campaign is baby sleep miracle. So we're going to do CPC definitely. So we're going to do CPC definitely. So this is actually the bid is limited to, because I don't have balance, okay, whatsoever, guys. So this is where you can actually place your maximum bid. It's not your minimum bid, guys. Keep in mind, it's not your average bid as well. It's your maximum bid, how much you don't want to go more than that. So this is actually your click URL. This is where you are going to put your landing page URL, which you copied just now. So we copied this over here, right? So make sure when you're putting this, you're very keen on what is HTTP and what is HTTPS. So if you have an SSL, it's HTTPS. If you don't have an SSL, it's HTTP. So if you follow the whole process on the support on how to do it, they can actually get for you a free SSL as well. So let's do it, guys. So HTTPS stroke and then this one and .com. That's it. We are done with this. And the next one is we're going to do bid automation first. So let's do bid automation. So you can actually see how much you want to bid at what time, how much you want to bid at what hour, how much you want to bid at what day, the percentage of your total bid, guys, which is pretty interesting. But we're not going to do this. So we're just going to make it like a default thing. So targeting, we are going to do web native standard or web native runoff network. So we're going to do web native standard. So you can actually target either by source or by category. If you press category, the whole thing will change over here. It will go for category targeting. So these are the targeting. So this is actually here, this is actually here, but I'm going to go this way, guys. So I hope you didn't get confused. So you can either do category or you can do source. So we want to do category. So audience is non-adult, not adult audience. So geos, you can actually include any geos if you want. If you want worldwide, you can actually just leave it blank. So for example, let's say Malaysia, so you can actually include it if you want to, but we don't want. So browser, same thing, you can actually click on the browser and press, like for example, Chrome and all this. But if you don't want anything, you just can leave it. Connection, you can do DSL, cellular, and other targeting. So these are the targetings. So over here, they're targeting. You can actually target all categories. This is all categories, and what's your bid for all categories, or you can actually do a specific category. So what this is for babies, right? So it should be, let's say home let's say society, let's say family parenting. That's the most important, right? So do that and you can add it. So once you add it, all this will be added, and this is like your minimum bid, so you can actually place the minimum bid over here. For home and garden you only want 3, so for family you want 3, for example. But for sorry, for society you want 3, but for family, you know that this is the most important targeting for this particular campaign. So what you're going to do, you're going to increase it like 25, for example. So it depends like that, something like that that you can actually do over here. Let's just do a sample. So once you have done that, the next one is scheduling, where you can actually set your schedule. You want every day, or you want a specific date range, or you want a specific days range, or you want a specific hours and all this kind of stuff. When you want to launch it, when you click the save changes button, do you want to launch it or you want to hold it first? So depending on that, but we can't launch it anyway because we don't have money, so you have to deposit first before you want to launch it. So this is the frequency capping. You can actually see you want to frequency cap it by budget, hourly or daily, or views, hourly or daily, conversion, hourly or daily. So depending on how you want to cap it. So if you want to cap it no cap, we don't want conversion tracker. If you have an external tracker, which we highly recommend you to have an external tracker, make sure you enable this, and then you put your external trackers postback URL all here. It's very good to have an external tracker, guys. You collect more data, you have more knowledge regarding your campaign. It will help you a lot for your scalability. So this is where you can actually blacklist or whitelist your source, but we don't want to talk about source because we are focusing on category target. So basically we have done everything except adding a content. So let's go ahead and add a content. So to add a content, you have to press add content over here. So once you press add content, this will appear where you can actually choose an image or you can choose a website over here. So JPEG, GIF, PNG, all accepted. Headlines, copy, your display URL, your click URL, your brand. So we're going to go one by one. Let's go image first. So image, we are going to take it from here. So we're going to go image. Just not this one, guys. So we're going to go banner. Banner looks pretty neat just now, so something like this is good. So you want to save this, or you can just take this URL and paste it there if you want to. So we want to save this, we want to upload the URL, sorry. So you're gonna go image 3, upload. Okay, the page has been, press upload, and it has been uploaded, as you can see over here. So you can cover this up. So this is the one that you want to see. So you can press headline. So headline, you can follow this particular headline. Oh, let's just follow this particular headline. Are you making these mistakes? Or you can just go over this is a particular very good offer, guys. So you can actually go to their landing page template and you can see what kind of headline they actually use. This is how to get any baby to sleep. Sleepless night, try one trick tonight to get your baby sleep. Ah, nice, that sounds nice. Sleepless night, try this one trick to make your baby sleep. Okay, so for copy I'm going to show you guys, but let's do brand first. So branding, it's baby sleep miracle. So display URL, you can still put a normal URL where it will actually be displayed here. So you can just put a random URL, for example, baby sleep miracle.com, for example. So it will appear over there when there's somebody seeing this. So your click URL is your landing page. So again, the same thing, guys. Go to landing page, copy this, https soup.com. That's it. Finally, you have to do a copy. Copy over here is the something like after the whole thing comes out. So you can either do sorry, you can either use the one that we used just now. What was it again? It was using articles, right? Was we using articles? Or we was using Facebook posts? Not pretty sure what we were using. So you can actually copy this as well. Huh, for the header. So email marketing. Yeah, we were using email marketing. Ah, dear sleepless mother. So we're gonna change this one. We're gonna use this one, but we're gonna change it a little bit. So go back to redirect, and then we're gonna dear sleepless. Oh, I think it's finished ready. So let's just do this. Dear sleepless mothers. Fell asleep when you need him. Try this. Ta-da! We have successfully created a native ad. All you gotta do is just hit the save change button, and I think there will be pop-up asking me to top up. No, you have already put one particular ad for here. You can actually put more, so the ad looks pretty neat. I think I would thank the affiliate pages for this. So that's why when you're choosing an offer, make sure you choose something which has affiliate pages to help you with the resources, guys. So you see how easy it was with the resources. So that's why we need the resources. So this is how the ad, you can go ahead and add new content if you want to. We don't want to. So that's it, guys. All you got to do is just go down over here and hit the save changes button, and you are done. Campaign added successfully. That's it, guys. So now what you got to do is go to the campaign sections over here, and then you can actually go ahead and run your campaign. Now we cannot run our campaign because we don't have money, so you can go ahead and start editing your campaign. You can copy the campaign, you can start running the campaign. Run selected campaign, you can just hit this and run selected campaign, pause selected campaign, or do all this. So basically that's how you go ahead and create a native advertising on redirect.com using the Clickbank offer, and as well using the Landerize to build your landing page. I've actually I told you before, I've actually included the link to Landerize in the description of this video. So if you're interested, just go ahead and take a look at Landerize. You will not be regretting this decision, guys. So that's about it in today's video. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one. But before I go, guys, please support us by hitting the subscribe button as well as the like button if you like this video, and the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, as well as so that we can keep creating good content for everybody, guys. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and bye bye.